But today, I'm gonna share with you a favorite. And at my house, my kids were organized and structured, and it started at the age of 5. So when they came home from school, they always had a snack. They did their homework, and believe it or not, they could watch TV while they did their homework because they were always on a schedule. One day, I'm gonna share my schedule with you, and you might think I'm crazy, but by 5th grade, I never had to scream, "Did you do your homework? You know, can I read your homework?" I never had to threaten to scream because we had a schedule since 5 years old. So part of that schedule, every day they came home to popcorn. Oh my God. Now, we know what we're gonna have today. Cones, kernels, some sea salt, oh my favorite, I'm in love with butter, some butter. And you know, I'm gonna shake it up with some Old Bay seasoning, or you can add any kind of seasoning. You can add that Lipton cup of onion soup to your popcorn, and I swear you would never go back and buy any popcorn. I promise you. All right, so what we need is a brown paper bag, and I got a CVS bag because the dollar store line or the $1.25, whatever, was so long that, you know, that dollar is not really a dollar because you have to think about the time that you are wasting standing in line to buy a dollar item. So I was like, forget it, I'm not doing that. So here's the popcorn. I had to actually borrow some kernels from my friend because I didn't have any more popcorn. so I'm just gonna pour the popcorn in the bag. Is that simple? How simple could that be? And add some sea salt. I love salt. You know, the Bible talks about salt. You gotta have salt in your life. And I'm going to add some butter. I know I love butter. I love butter. I love butter. All right, so now I'm going to shake it up because I'm shaking up the salt. And I'm just going to simply fold it. Just fold it down. Bow. Here we go. Homemade popcorn. I can't remember how long it takes. I think it's 2 minutes, but you're going to hear it popping. So let me go and get this started. I'll be right back.
Hey sis, we know you've been watching Mommy Room Redo content, but you have yet to subscribe. So let's change that right now.
Okay, good peoples, my popcorn is ready. Check it out, check it out, check it out. Here's my popcorn. Uh-oh, I actually made 2 of them and I burnt one because I put it in for too long. So this takes 3.5 minutes to make popcorn. And then what I do is, this bag came from the dollar store. Well, I know it's a $1.25 store, but now I got this for $1. So then what I would do was scoop popcorn in a bag. So when my kids came home from school, they had a nutritious, healthy snack of popcorn, and usually popcorn and apples. And then I would just fold the bag, or let me sprinkle some Old Bay, and you can sprinkle any kind of seasoning you want on it, but girl, this Old Bay is the bomb diggity. Oh my gosh. All right, so I just sprinkle a little. I feel like, oh my God, I feel like I'm at home in the South. How I miss it. So I shake it up, and then look, here's an easy snack. All right, bye for now. I'll see you soon with another Fran's hack. Enjoy the rest of your day and eat popcorn. Oh, and I like them burnt.